In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with Google search. And no, it's not going to be one of those scammy videos where people tell you to go to this website and waste your time. This is actually going to be real things that people are doing every single day to make money online. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money with Google search. Now, as you know, Google is the largest, most searched, most used website in the world, and it can be a great way to make passive income. Now, what I recommend that you do is stop watching those other videos that tell you that you can go to this website and you can make $10 every 20 minutes by clicking on links and ads. That is short-term thinking, and oftentimes it doesn't work. What we're going to do is we're going to build a real business where you can make $100 per day, you can make $1,000 per day. How much you make is really up to you and how consistent you are with the content. So first things first is we need to figure out what people are searching for. We need to figure out what they want and what they need. And what I've done is I've jumped over to Ahrefs. Now, this is a keyword tool that I use to find keywords and find different ideas. What I've done is I've typed in how much. This is a common phrase that people are asking or searching. So when you think about it, people are asking the 5 W's all day, every day. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. So I've typed in how, and I've added the word much. I've also added 2 more words, per year and per hour. And so what people are looking up is how much is a number per year or per hour. So they're looking up how much a dollar amount is. And what I've done is I've actually changed the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. So this should be relatively easy for a new website to rank. What we're going to do is we're going to build a website or a YouTube channel to potentially make money. And there's multiple ways that you can do it. But if you have no idea what to do, you just have keywords, what I recommend that you do is you reverse engineer and see what other people are doing. Reverse engineering is basically just working backwards and figuring out how other people are making money. So what I've done is I've pasted in how much is $45,000 a year. This top result here, youngandtheinvested.com, they've answered this question. And so what we can do is we can get a few different ideas on how to make money with this type of content. We can take a look and see if they're running ads on this page. Of course they are, they're making money that way. We can also take a look and see what links they have, where the links are going, and this can help us make money as well. So if we look at this, we're going to scroll through and we're just going to count the number of keywords. We see a few ads that are on this page, but we can take a look and just give a good idea of the number of keywords. And so this is what you potentially want to target if you want to start writing. So about 3,500 words is a good place to start. One way they're making money is simply with email marketing. Email marketing, they're collecting emails and then they're going to follow up at a later date with different ways to help them make money. They could follow up with affiliate links, they could sell their own digital or physical products, and that's all something that we'll get into in just a moment. But if we look at this, you can see this website here is simply just creating content where they're answering this basic question of how much is $45,000 per year. What we can also do is we can spend some time looking through this website to figure out other ways that they make money. If you think about what the target audience really wants, do they want to make more money? Do they want to learn how to save money, invest money? That's where your opportunity is going to lie. So if we click on this one, it talks about making money while they sleep. This actually goes off to another website where, again, they're talking about different ways to make money, and included in this website are affiliate links. So affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And when a customer clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. So affiliate marketing can happen right from here. And as you see, it was a very easy transition. What he could do and what you should do if you were going to target this keyword is you answer the question of how much $45,000 is per year. And then toward the bottom, you can talk about additional ways to make money and recommend different products and services. You could also recommend savings accounts and potentially make money that way. So we've already talked about 2 ways: email marketing, where he's collecting emails, and with affiliate marketing. He actually does affiliate marketing on a second page. Another way that you could make money is to actually sell digital products. You could put together a course of the best ways to save $1 a day until you're rich or until you're a millionaire. You come up with a creative course and you can embed links to your course right in your blog or your website. So what you could do to create your course, you could either create your course yourself using WordPress or using ClickFunnels or some of those other softwares out there like Teachable, or you could create your course over on Udemy and sell your course over on Udemy. If you're looking to get up and running fast, you could create the content over on Udemy and sell it that way. If you do it on Udemy, you're not going to make as much money as you would selling it yourself. But this is another way. So we've got email marketing, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got selling digital products. Another opportunity for a digital product is actually creating a Google Sheet and selling it right from your website. You create a budget calculator, for example, $45,000 per year. How much is it per hour? You create a Google Sheet and say, help manage your money with the sheet, sell it for $10. You can make even more money. Another opportunity would be to become an affiliate for products that are already over on Etsy. Once again, either opportunity is going to work, but you'd make more money creating your own content. Another thing that you can do is you can sell physical products. If you have the type of content that you can sell physical products, that's yet another way to make money. And the final way to make money is by starting a membership site. So you could start a membership site where people congregate, where you provide tips and tricks for them to save and make even more money. You can charge even more for this. The great thing with membership sites is they offer reoccurring income. So just to recap, the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out what people are searching. For example, how much is $45,000 per year or per hour, whatever it may be. You go ahead, create content to solve that problem. You answer that question, and then within your blog post, you can offer different ways to help them save money. You can become an affiliate for courses that will teach them money management. You can become an affiliate for courses that teach them how to make more money, offline, online, whatever it may be. You can also create your own courses where you teach them how to make money offline or online. You can also sell digital products with regard to like Google Sheets, different budgeting calculators. These are all different ways to make money, but it all really depends on what your customer is searching for. If your customer wants to learn how much $45,000 per year is every hour, it would not make sense for you to sell them basket weaving or sell them a home gym service, because that's not what they're looking for. They're looking for a solution. They may not know the solution yet, but they're looking for a solution. And so if you think about this, you have to think about what your customer is really asking. They're really asking is, can I live off of $45,000? And you can answer that question and tell them you may not be able to live off of $45,000, especially not with a family of four, but here are some ways that you could potentially increase your revenue, increase your income. So once again, we've got affiliate marketing. You can sell digital or physical products. You could sell your Patreon or sell a membership, and even start email marketing. Of course, you can sell physical products as well. Now that you know how to make money with Google search, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.